Yo, 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 what do you know? Just sitting here in my ship laying low. Haven't talked in a while. It's not like I haven't been watching the birds. Full contact bird feeding's been going on. Just been laying low. COVID-19, Corona, everything's been on the down low, and I'm on the down low right now. Things have opened up a little bit. I went to check my mail. Got a special parcel, Canada Post Express Post, from my lawyer. And I don't know why this has happened. Actually, I do know why it's happened. It's because of Pirateboarder Life, my YouTube channel. A ghost from my past has surfaced, and I'm very upset about this. Let me just turn this music down just a little bit. Apparently, allegedly, I have another child. A paternity suit has been launched against me. Someone has seen some of my videos and has alleged that I'm the father of the child. Now, my lawyer sent me a couple pictures, and I'm going to contest this. I'm going to contest this. I don't believe I'm the father. You know, I might have to submit to a DNA test, and I'm willing to do that. But this is a picture of allegedly my child. Now, this is a Johnny at age 5. I don't think he looks like anything like me. Not that it really matters, but I don't think he looks anything like me. Now, allegedly this happened well over 30 years ago. I was away on training, spending a bit of time seeing the dancing girls over at the Adderley Arms near Aurelia. And I vaguely remember the night, vaguely remember, but a bit foggy. I had to, you know, dig it up out of my past. But allegedly I had some sort of relations with this lady here. That's all I'm going to show of her, because I don't want her to get any more notoriety out of this. This is unbelievable that's been launched against me. Apparently she was a featured dancer there, and again, it's a bit of a haze. I do know that if this is true, that there should be another guy being tested too. It's my buddy Clubber Lang. Vaguely remember. He could be the dad as well. I'm going to show you a bit of deviant acts from the Love Shack, and it's involving Cheeky and a squirrel. The theme of this whole full contact bird feeding has taken a dark side right now. I'm reeling from these allegations. I'm going to have to contact my lawyer again, see what my next course is. Maybe they've got a PI trying to get some of my DNA. I don't know. I'm going to submit to it because I don't think I'm the father. Vague resemblance to my son, but I don't think I'm the dad. So I'm going to fight this, and I'll keep you updated. Anyway, keep watching your feeders, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Pirateboarder Life, and keep me rolling. I'll get talking to you. Bye for now.